Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to go through the Evening Care 4 set with you guys. Yes, that's right. There's 4 products and I love the set too because I can use it morning and nighttime, but I don't use all the products in the morning, but I do use all the products in the evening, and I will just quickly go through it with you right now. So this here is the Deep Cleanser. This one will help remove your heavy makeup, cleans out your pores, so great cleanser. This one here is called the Foam Cleanser. This one will remove whatever's left that's on your face, those impurities that might be left over, or maybe some leftover makeup and things like that. But this one is actually really good. To me, it's like an all-purpose cleanser. I use it all the time. I've even used it like 4 or 5 times during one day, before, and it never over-dried my face, and I love it so much. This here is the peeling gel. So this one is going to help remove that, all that dead skin and help get your skin ready for whatever's coming next. Because anytime you do have, excess, dead skin just sitting on your face, and then you're applying like your skincare on top of that, your skincare is going to have to work a lot harder to get through to your actual skin and penetrate the different layers. So that's why if you use this product, it'll help remove that extra layer so that it doesn't have, all the products that come after don't have to work as hard. And then this is the peel off mask. Can you see that? So this one is great because this one actually helps minimizes your pores, and also firms your skin, and also calms your skin too. So why don't we first get started? So this deep cleanser doesn't actually require rinsing off. What you're going to do with this cleanser is you're going to put it on your face, massage it around, and then actually wipe it off with a cotton pad. So what I normally do is I use enough to make sure that I can, maybe about that much. So this should be enough for my hands to kind of just glide around my face, and that's what you want. You want a nice gliding motion, and just massage it around, get it in your pores and all that stuff, get it working around your face, and then you just wipe it off. So just like that. So when you are using this product for the first time, what you're going to notice is when you do apply the deep cleanser first and you start rubbing it around, it's not going to really feel like it's working. But if you give it about 5 to 10 seconds, you're going to start to feel like the deep cleanser is melting into your skin, and that's what you want. And it's going to feel a little bit more watery as you rub it around, and that's exactly what you want. So it's pretty good now. What I'm going to do is use this cotton pad here to remove the deep cleanser. Just like that. And I didn't wear any makeup today, so there's not a lot of stuff on this pad, but it is a little bit brown, but you can't really see it. It's like really, really light. But if you do wear makeup and things like that, this will probably turn to a different color, and it'll probably be really satisfying to see all that come off. So what you want to make sure too is that when you're wiping this off, don't forget your jawline. Some people do forget that, and then they actually will break out because they've left the product on around their jawline. So just keep that in mind. So the next thing I'm going to do is use the foam cleanser. So the trick with this product is you don't actually need that much. That's the magical part about this product. But the trick about this product is you want to get the foam going first before you apply it to your face. Because if you apply to your face like this before you get the foam activated, you're actually not really getting the full benefits of the cleansing. So just make sure you get it started first. So I do add a smidge of water first to get it going, and then I create a foam. So that little bit, that small pea-sized amount, actually, goes a long way. 1 tube can last my family of 4 people at least 6 to 8 months. Can you believe that? 1 tube. Sometimes it lasts so long that our foam cleansers have actually expired, and we'll start noticing that it starts to turn yellow over time, and that's when we realize that it's actually expired because we don't really pay attention. But that's what you want, like really foamy, and then just cleanse your face. wash it up. That's it. So now for this next step, just make sure that your hands and your face is completely dry. And the reason for that is because this peeling gel, this one right here, if it's not dry and you're applying it, it will actually not work. So just give me a minute to dry off my face. Okay, so now it is dry. Let's put that back there. So with this peeling gel, like I mentioned, if your face is not dry and or even if your hands are wet, this product will not work properly. Also, another thing to note too is if you're using this product maybe right after the shower and your bathroom is nice and warm and steamy, very humid, this product will also not work in that environment too. So you just need to make sure that when you are using the peeling gel, that you are using it in an environment that's dry, okay? So all you do is put some on your hand. So I'm going to show you how much I use. So I've dispensed maybe about a tablespoon onto my hands now. And then, so what you want is be a little bit more generous. You don't want to do such a thin layer because you do need to leave this on your face for about 1 minute to maybe up to 3 minutes. And if you are, you know, in a place that is a bit dry, this product could dry on your face quickly. And if it's too dry, it won't work too. But I will show you how you can fix that if you apply this and then it dries out too fast and it doesn't work. I'll show you how you can fix that too. But anyways, I'm gonna get started with this. Let's see if this is enough. You want a nice, not too thick, but you do want a generous amount so that your face feels a bit wet, if that makes any sense. So just like this. And because this product is also non-irritable, I've actually left it on by accident before for over 15 minutes and my skin was fine. It's nothing like a chemical peel. So this product is absolutely amazing. So I have about the right amount, but it's still a bit thin on my forehead. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more. So I think I've put on approximately just a little bit over a tablespoon amount, just everywhere in my face. Just like that. And then I'll show you what happens in a bit if there are some places that don't work. But anyways, let's set a timer for 2 minutes and then I'll be right back. Alexa, set timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, stop. So now the timer's up for 2 minutes, but again, like I said, you can try for 3 minutes if you think you need a little bit more time. Usually I only use the peeling gel for 1 minute and that works fine for me. So that's why when you are using it for the first time, just kind of experiment a bit with it first and then just find kind of what your sweet spot is. But now to remove your dead skin, all you need to do is get your hands that is dry and just do circular motions on your face. So I'm just gonna start doing it. So I already feel the dead skin. So what you want to get is actually really big balls of kind of dead skin everywhere on your face. And for those that do this and don't get anything, it's probably because you didn't put enough product on, or maybe it's too humid in your bathroom. Most of the time you can save it by actually grabbing a little bit more product and just start with pea-sized amounts first and working it back onto your face, and that normally get it started and normally get it going good. So what you want to do is, yeah, just keep on doing these circular motions around your face, so that you get, I don't know if you can see it, but that's my dead skin. I don't know if you can see it. It's like dead skin pieces there. Okay. And this is so amazing because I've in order to get this kind of, results from a peel, I've had to do chemical peels before, and those were super, really, really intense kind of procedures for my skin, because my skin's actually really sensitive, and I actually didn't realize how much damage a chemical peel would do to my skin. So I don't do chemical peels anymore, obviously, because I found this product. But yeah, there's a little bit more dead skin there. Let's see. Yeah, so this is what you want. You want to see big white pieces like this, and they'll probably drop everywhere when you're doing that. And you just want to keep rubbing everywhere until you, rubbed around your whole face. Get in between your nose. And then that's it. And then just rinse it off. And then just dry your face again. And if you've been using this set, for a while, you'll realize that you don't actually need to cleanse after the peel. It's actually really nice. But if you aren't using it for the first time, you might have that urge to want to cleanse again. But you don't really need to do that. But if you do, you can use the foam cleanser again after this. I don't. So just up to you and what your preference is. But after you do wash off the peeling gel, you don't really need to wash your face again. It actually leaves a really nice clean feeling afterwards. When you just rinse it off with water, it leaves a really nice clean feeling. So now what I'm going to use is the peel off mask. So my trick is I actually apply some of my skincare products before I use this mask. And the reason why is because, you can wear this mask for about 20 minutes and get, some really cool benefits and, really great results from this product. But what I generally do is I wear this mask for at least 6 to 12 hours. Like, that's how amazing it is. And the reason why is because it has a really, really good pore closing kind of action. And so that's why I love to overuse this product. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I actually apply on before I use my peel off mask. So I have my spot solution, just in case I get any breakouts. I put this on first. And then Atomy has these two toners that I really love. So this one is the one from the Fame set, which is anti-aging, and then they also have the toner from Absolute set. This one is de-aging. So I've been using the Absolute one more. So after the AC solution, I put on this toner, and then after the toner, I put on the Absolute Ampule, and then I put on the peel off mask. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So that's it. So now I'm going to apply this peel off mask. So I'm going to give it about a minute to kind of absorb, and then I start applying this. So you want to apply a nice, generous amount. You don't want it to be so thin that you can almost see through the mask. You want a nice, white color mask. And that's when you've added on enough product onto your face. So that's what it should look like, and as this product is drying, I'll talk to you a little about other products that you can actually mix into your peel off mask. I'm just going to quickly wash my hands here. So this is another reason why this product is so good, because if you wanted to, you can mix in other things. So I've used things like vitamin C, even the black coffee, ginseng. I've used all three of these before. And also what you can do too is try spirulina. And what you can do is grab a clean bowl like this. I have this one in the bathroom, so I don't use this for food either. But I use a bowl like this, and I put about 2 tablespoons into the bowl, approximately 2 tablespoons or so. And then I'll actually add one of these to the peel-off mask. And I'll use a silicone brush like this to mix it up, like that. And then I apply it to my face. And depending on the product, you'll get like a really nice brightening effect or tightening or whatever. So depending on what product you use, you'll get that benefit. So that's why this product is so versatile. And make sure too, when you are using something like our coffee or maybe even our ginseng, make sure you have something like this, mortar and pestle. And the reason why it's good is because products like our coffee and ginseng come in a larger granule kind of form, so it's a little bit bigger than powder. So I do find that when I'm mixing those types of products into this, it doesn't mix very well. And so I like to ground it up first if I can into a powder, then I mix it to the peel-off mask. I find that works the best. So now I'm gonna leave this on all day, and that's it. Hey, so I can't really talk right now because my face feels a bit frozen from the mask, but I actually wanted to take it off a bit earlier just to show you how you take it off, okay? So you want to get it started. I normally pull it from the bottom of my chin. You can start from around the side where your jawline is if you like, that's fine. But this is one of the reasons why you want to get a nice thick layer of peel-off mask on your face, because if your layer is too thin, this peeling would be really difficult for you. But because I put enough on, it'll come off in one piece. Just like that. And then you don't have to wash it off. All you do is just, if there's pieces stuck to your hair or something, you just kind of rub it a little bit. But from here, you just apply some of your skincare and then that's it.